So, Kara got a watermelon.
Once again,
Kara wants to explode.
On it. Go tell Mary. Go tell Rachel to start moving files. We're not gonna.
As you can see, it's already.
Naomi's getting it though. She can send it to us.
Yeah, she can enjoy.
Just post it on my page.
Yeah.
yeah, everyone's gonna love this. They're gonna be like, "What's with her and exploding watermelons?"
We should make a new trend called the melon exploding
We're
challenge.
almost out of the original rubber bands. This is scary. I'm starting to freak out.
Yeah, it's getting, taking a different shape.
Yeah, big time.
Oh gosh.
And I think with Katie's, it's almost the last of it.
And these ones. Are there any more in the
Nope,
grass?
that's it.
No.
That is it.
That
We
is.
have reached.
So,
189 rubber bands, and now we have
so close.
That's all. I just give it a minute.
Oh no! It needs exactly 400.
Oh, and you had
Really?
What if you had 401?
Yeah.
Here.
It'll explode at 400. So 389. Let's count them as we add them.
Yeah.
Are the big ones gonna count for more?
Yeah, that's a
They're
great
4
idea.
each.
No,
Right?
they-
It's stellar. Came up with that idea. Let's count them. Yeah. Oh yeah. You know when to shut your eyes and your mouth.
390.
391. 392. 393. 394. 395. 396. 397. 398. 399. 400.
Oh, was that spot there before?
Huh? What's fun?
Yeah.
Yes, it was.
Let's see this. Let's just look.
It's not going to. There's like a few down here.
Yeah.
Be careful, Kara. So now we wait.
No, not now. We put on more.
Yeah. We're not done yet.
401.
402.
Hang on.
Here, pour some out.
Give Katie some.
We'll go faster.
in their face.
Katie, I'll help you.
Be careful, Maribeth.
3,
404.
405.
406. 407. 408. 409. 410.
415. Wait.
go.
411. 411.
412.
413.
Oh my god.
414. 415. 16. 17. 18. 19.
420! Stop! It should explode now. Everything explodes. Everything explodes on 420, bitches. Woo!
Oh no, not putting
Wait,
421.
is it juicy?
No, it's not juicing.
Oh, wait, it's not ready yet.
No, you can see.
You can feel the contortion.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
It's
Oh
got a
my
girdle.
Ready?
It's wearing a girdle.
Ready? We're gonna go to 421.
421. 422. 423. 424. 425. 426. 427. 428. 429. 430. Hold on. Is it juicing yet?
No.
Alright, let's continue.
You're the one throwing
431. 432.
I'm waiting for you guys.
433.
Dude, this is kind of scary.
34.
I know.
35.
Look at the cat's even
36.
The cat's like, getting the fuck out of here. Look at her go. Look at that fat cat run.
37. 38. 39. 40. 41.
We'll go to
42.
45 or 50 and stop.
43. 44.
You can see it from over here though.
45.
Yeah, it's kind of freaking me out.
46. 47. 48. 49. 50.
You can totally see it, you guys.
Is it juicing?
We can't tell. It's not. You can't tell. Oh
It's gonna go, guys.
my god.
451. No.
Katie, be careful.
I'm just gonna tap a
Let's go to
grenade.
500.
No.
Do it. 500.
451.
It's
2.
gonna explode in your guys' faces.
3.
Stand back.
4.
If it explodes, it hits them, not us.
5.
Wait.
Crap, yeah. 6.
What if this isn't enough?
7. That'd be sad. 8. 9. 10.
460.
1. 2.
2.
3, 4, 5,
I didn't buy
6, 7, 8, 9, 70.
70.
1, 2, 3,
73.
4,
Try to get them more in the middle.
5, 6, 7, 8.
We're almost. What is this?
9, 80,
Oh my
One.
gosh.
2, 82.
182.
Is that all the rubber bands you
Dirty
brought?
watermelon.
Katie, no!
Stop.
We don't have enough rubber bands again.
It's gonna explode on itself sooner or later.
No, it's not. Here, let's leave it
Hey
here.
guys.
Oh my gosh!
No, Devin.
Devin, no!
Tracy.
Kevin, not yet.
No!
Not yet.
It's too young to die.
More flips. But there's
I was gonna just like kind of.
Oh no!
Oh no, that has pressure hose.
Is it?
We could pressure hose it into submission. Tracy,
No! Mary Beth, move!
Wait.
Mary Beth, move out of the way!
Wait.
You're in a drought.
Let me try this first.
So what? This is
Wait.
saving water.
Oh, Kara, you're gonna have to be spot on.
I've got this.
All
You didn't hit it the
everyone
first
back
time.
up.
Video of it or no? Hold on. Do you want a picture of it exploding?
Don't worry, I'm doing it if he doesn't want.
You ready?
You see that? That's gonna split in half.
Are we ready?
Ready, set, go.
Oh! Yeah!
Yeah.
We had lift off.
That is insane!
You see this? You see this? That's in half.
It's already on, love.
That's
Turn the hot water.
perfectly in half.
Turn on the water, please.
That's in half.
Gently.
I win!
Oh my God, right in half.
Yeah.
That's great.
Now we're just gonna wash off some melon and eat it.
Now the one thing we need to do is
Oh my gosh, look at the rubber bands.
guys, the true way of making a rubber band ball.
Come over here and show the video.
This is a rubber band ball. This is how you make it. You explode a watermelon.
This is the heart of a fucking water. Look at it. Look at the blood dripping down my arms. I won!